Wagwan people, it's your girl Nishoy and I'm back with a freaking video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to create this headband wig. So if you like to see how I created it, then stay tuned. Alrighty guys, first things first, what you're gonna need is your T-pins to pin down the wigs. You want to make sure you have some T-pins. I only could have found 3 of my T-pins. I don't know where the rest are, so I'm gonna have to buy some more. So we're gonna tack down the wig cap on the mannequin head. Now people, if you're wondering why the wig cap is looking like that, I had another wig that I could remember Saturday is 12 o'clock curfew and I could not get to go on the road, so I had to take that hair off the wig cap and use it. Alright, so what you see me doing now, I am about to mark where the hair would stop. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay the headband on the wig where I want it to be, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pin it down and mark where it is supposed to cut out. Alright, so now that we've done pinning down our headband on the wig, so I'm just gonna go ahead with the hair. And of course this hair is expression braiding hair, and we'll be adding the hair to where you see the headband wig stop. So of course you're gonna need a crochet needle, and what we'll be doing today, we'll be poking the needle through the dome cap, and of course we'll be tying the hair to it. We're looping, making a knot at the end of the hair. Alright, so we're gonna do this one time and then we're gonna go fast, so we get this done quickly because I don't want the video to be too long. So you want to pick a piece of strand from a bundle of hair that you have, and again I'll say this is expression braiding hair. You can do this with whatever hair you have. You can use your human hair, you can sew it down to the wig cap, but I don't have human hair, so I'm using what I have. Alright, so you want to make a loop at the end. Let's do one more and then I'm going to speed the video up. Alright, here we go. Loop it through the wig cap. So guys, whenever you're doing this, it's best to have a crochet wig cap, just so you know. I didn't have any, so I had to use what I have. So what you're gonna do, pick a piece of hair, add it to the loop, pull it through, and make a knot at the end. There we go. Alright guys, so this is how far we are, and this is how much hair I had put in. So this is only half pack of expression braiding hair I am using. It should be enough to cover the spot that you want to cover. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and continue. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Alright people, so we get to this in the week. I want the entire week to show. Alright, so this is the wig, right? So guys, I was actually trying to put on this wig yesterday and it broke. Just turn on it again. I don't want to get copyrighted. Anyway, so now I'm gonna go in and I am going to fix the edges of the wig, like around here, where I'm gonna glue the where I'm gonna sew down the wig. I want to ensure that when I'm putting it up into a bun, you don't see the cap itself. Hold on, let me just sketch this up. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to see if I can remove the bun for a second before I sew it down. And I see everybody do this different from I do it, so I am doing it the reversible way, because trust me, sometimes I put on one track and I put on so 100 you can cover it up. Alright, so I'm taking the bun off and I'm just gonna grab my glue gun and I'm gonna glue. Oops, I can't find where I need to glue this thing down. Alright, so let me use this to mark it. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and glue the track on and then come back and show you how to sew on the band around the here itself. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, guys, is I'm gonna use the pins to guide me along. Glue the wet down. And I'm actually using a plug, so this may go off a little bit, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and just flip this back like so. Alright people, so this is it. See that? So now I'm gonna put on the headband. gonna go ahead and stitch the entire thing down. After we finish stitching it down, then we're going to cut off the band, this from underneath it. Guys, tell you what, I'm gonna go ahead and sew on this piece and then we'll come back and show how it looks. Because I can't sew it here because I'm actually gonna turn it over on the wrong side to sew the band under, because I don't want the thread to peek out from here on the front part, and I'm actually using my hands, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it's looking. So now that we finish putting on the hair and the headband, we're gonna cut off the excess cap from underneath the cap, from underneath the wig, and I think that's about it. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell, it keeps you posted whenever I upload a new video. And of course, follow me on all my social medias, it will be on the screen. Follow my business page and my personal page at Jamaican Gal Nishoy, Instagram, and the business page Bougie Necessities. So guys, before I go, I wanted to show you a quick clip of what it looks like when I have it on. So there we go. And yes, stay tuned for part 2. I have the installation video coming out soon.